Hi and welcome back to Fixin' It. We have a GE stove here with the double ovens, and it's a cafe series. What's wrong with this thing is the bottom oven is not working, so when you set it, it's just gonna stay at 100. It's not gonna go up because it's not lighting up. So what you need to do, let me clear out all this stuff. This is my wife's fancy stuff. She wants me to take it to Paris, I guess. Just remove all this stuff. The igniter's underneath this panel, so you need to remove that. There's two screws in the back, so let's get to that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna unscrew these guys, and I'm using, what size is this? Quarter inch for the socket. Alright, so once those things are out, this thing just pops up. Get it past the back there and move forward, and the whole thing comes out. Alright, this is igniter. This is what you have to change. So again, it's the same. All right, you're gonna have to take this off too. Let's just take a couple of Phillips screws right here. So you got 1, 2, 3. You got a couple more on the bottom there. And these are not Phillips. These are just a quarter inch. Alright, so now you have the igniter, and it goes right through this thing. So we're gonna have to take this whole thing and bring it out. I'm gonna cut these wires, but first I'm gonna have to pull this whole thing out. So let me shut this up. As you can see, it's still at 100. Nothing happened. So let me shut this off. All right. So I'm gonna pull this out back because we need to get to the back of it. Okay. Okay. So I pulled the this oven out. Now make sure you put like a piece of cardboard or something on the bottom so you don't scratch the floor. It's a good time to clean back here. It usually gets pretty messy back here. But anyway, the wires for this thing comes out right here. So you need to take off this cover, because the wires go right in here. So let's take those off. one more down here that you need to take off. Cover comes off. So now you can see the wire comes from inside the oven and it attaches to this here. So I unplug this thing before you start messing around. Alright. So these things, you just push on these tabs and it just comes right out. Okay, so I just plug this thing back in just so the light goes on and you see what I'm doing. So this is the thing you wanna, you can pull it right through here, but then it's probably a pain in the butt to get the other one in. This is already unplugged, so I'm just gonna cut these wires. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna attach the other one to those wires and pull it through. So this is the new part. That's the part number. Okay. And that's the new part number. The new part looks just like the other one. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is attach this part to these wires and just pull it right through. So all I did was take the connector right to the other wires, and I'm gonna just push it right through here, and then just go around the other side and just pull it right through. And so it just makes it a little easier. Okay. So what we're gonna do is connect it back. Okay, so this only goes one way. That's it. Make sure you put your wires. Put your wires back in here. There's a clip. Clip right here. That's it. You just gotta put this cover back on. Okay. Basically do the opposite of what you did before. Okay. Alright, so we mount it. We push all the wires back there. We mounted this igniter. I'm going to show you what it's supposed to work like. Alright. So, you start the oven. See this thing, how it lights up? So now you know it's working. Okay. So let's just shut it back off. And we gotta take all this stuff that we took out, put it all back in. Okay. So this thing goes first. Same way you took it off. 3 screws on top, 4 on the bottom. Okay. Make sure you go up. Hook it up from the back first, over here. Okay. And then this is gonna slide down. That's it. Put 2 screws. That's it, you're done. Okay guys, so we got some fire. See the temperature rising. So that's it, that's all that's to it. Hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Take care.